Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this spectacular Corvette Grand Sport. Limited edition, the Grand Sport was. Beautiful. They were all painted blue, white stripe, red hash marks. You can get them in a coupe or convertible. This one is the coupe version with removable hardtop, 6-speed manual, 2 owners from new. We have history from new. Great example. Hop on in, do a cold start, and we'll take it for a ride. All right, here we are in our 1996 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. They were all Admiral Blue, white stripes, coupes and convertibles. 810 of them were coupes. The remainder were convertibles. This one's a 6-speed manual. It's a 2-owner car. It's got 4,853 miles from new. Do a little cold start here. She fires right up. We will warm her up, get a little gas, and we'll be back to you. Here we are in our Corvette Grand Sport. Really spectacular day. Got the roof off, AC cranking. Really, everything works well in this car. Radio. Nothing like a little 80s music to make your trip complete today. We're going to come up here to the S's. These cars are known for their handling. Great V8 sound from that LT4. Pulls so well. We'll give it a little wind up through the S's. Oh yeah. Really pulls well, sounds good, true open air motoring, yet when you put the top on, it's so nice and insulated. Really nice example. So I hope you guys enjoyed those flybys. We definitely did. Again, Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport, 4,800 miles on it, 2-owner car, 6-speed manual, removable hardtop. Really America's sports car. Corvette, through all its evolutions, has always been well known, performance oriented. This generation keeps right up and exceeds the previous generations. Great V8 sound, clutch, gearbox, engine, everything feels really good as you'd expect with 4,800 miles on it. We're going to come up to the farm road here. We'll run her through her paces, but really is a solid car. History from new. Original owner's manual. The original owner kept everything. Original bill of sale, all the records, registrations. Really well documented car. Alright, so here we are coming up to the farm road. We'll run her through the gears here. Pulls really well. Sounds so good. Really nice car. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely did. Bit of a fan of the Grand Sport, all the Grand Sports. But this is a really nice example. So like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment below as well. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.